Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Just gonna take a slow walk down Avenue de Mediterranean now, where the main bus stops are down here as well. I believe you can pretty much get all the sort of main buses for places you want to go. Altea, Carrefour, think there's one that you can get to go to the California site. That one there, number 14, I believe. I believe it goes to sort of main finish strap, like the actual finish strap. Heard that's meant to be quite nice as well, guys. Haven't been there yet, but it is something we sort of plan on doing eventually, some point. But from what I've seen of it, it is sort of meant to be like a typical Spanish village. Butterfields. Nice scooter there, actually. One of the, yeah, it is one of the double-seated single ones which are quite stupid, but Casino Mediterranean is, well, just across the road there. Another place I haven't been in. I will just let you know about the weather. It is still rather hot. You do have a bit of the breeze, but just keep in mind that even though it is quite breezy in some places, you are still at risk of getting sunburnt. Like, half the time it could be quite chilly, you could be wearing a jumper and you still get sunburnt. Coming up on the scooter and dune buggy and quad bike rental place. There's the dune buggies. That's something I would love to do, but I only know how to drive automatic, and no my luck, I'll probably only have hard it out for about 30 minutes, then end up whapping it round the lamppost.
Are you scared of coming on a mobility scooter with me, Marcus?
Yeah, Dad can't drive it either because he's a nut job. But I mean, they're quite cool, to be honest. Oh, I think the gears ain't really that hard. It's just drive neutral, they're not. Yeah, I think they are automatic. So, yeah, I probably would be alright driving them then. Quad bikes as well. Used to love going on quad bikes when I went to Kingswood. That's where I used to go to school, and Dad done the quad bikes. Anyway, just coming down Avenue de Mediterranean now, and it is kind of quite quiet today, to be honest. Tattoo Central up top there, and just round the back down the alley is, of course, another Butterfield shop. I think that's more sort of like a warehouse sort of place where they do the scooters up. Yeah, maintenance place. I will highly recommend Butterfields. Ben and all his staff do take great pride in what they do. Ben, of course, opening the shop for his late mother, who sadly passed away. And I mean, I tell you something, the lad's 16 years old, guys, 16 years of age. He owns 3 successful businesses in Benidorm, like all but a few mobility scooter shops, and now he's planning on opening a new bar. So I think Ben's becoming a young entrepreneur. And I've heard as well that he lives in a very sort of fancy high-rise apartment as well. So I take me hat off to him, like he's clearly doing very well for himself. Another sort of casino just here, guys. Oh, that's pretty cool. Sort of picture of like Las Vegas on the window there. You okay, Dad? The Tito Disco Club there. Oh, that's a place I ain't really seen open for a while.
Not, of course.
Is it? That's it, they've gone bust. Doctors down there as well. Let me know down below if you've actually ever seen this place open. I haven't. Also got new cafe across the road, the Brunch Box. Looks rather nice there. Next door, Hotel Weird or that how you pronounce it? Because I'm just more thinking of how it's spelled, going off that. Avenida as well, which is sort of Spain's answer to like Body Shop, Superdrug, and of course Mike's favourite shop, DXL shop. Well, the good shop when they are open, I do sell rather big clothing, but you have to be quite careful because can be rather pricey in there, to be honest. So just like sort of shop round, have a look. Kelly's expats Cardo, Kelly does help a lot with sort of paperwork, insurance, driving licence, is stuff like that. If you need any help, just give that number there a ring and Kelly will help you out as best as she can. And before I finish, I will just give you a quick update on the work that's happening to the old mini golf course. The apartment block there is coming on quite a bit now. Hopefully should be finished by end of year, maybe.
I think so. I thought they were putting 2 blocks in there.
Yeah, we actually thought they were putting 2 blocks in there. Maybe not. Anyway, guys, hit the like. Sorry, that was a bit high pitch, wasn't it? Hit the like. Hit subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Also, go check out Benidorm Scooter Sue's channel, Benidorm at Mike's channel, channels, Benidorm Ball and Benidorm at Mike. go check out our TikToks as well. I think we've all basically called our channel names on there. And if you like Blackpool as well, go check out the Brilliant Walk on the Wild Side. Used to come in on our streams quite a lot, but I think now he's getting a bit more well known, like a bit more with a bigger YouTuber. Like he's
Busy.
super busy, but I mean, hats off to him, guys. He is quite famous around the Blackpool area. Anyway, see you in the next one.